Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. I'm Manar from Morocco, and in today's video I'll react to a video why is everything free in Pakistan. So let's start the video.
So we bought bottled waters and then he gave us sandwiches to take a picture, and then he said keep them. He said it's for you, gift.
Dana, what's happening?
Because they're not letting me pay.
I was just giving a gift of these traditional Pakistani shoes. Thank you so much. So they surprised us with this giant meal. When I arrived in Pakistan, I went to the ATM and took out 28,000 rupees, or $200. I'm on day 8 so far, and my wallet is still full. This is not the case by choice. The hospitality in Pakistan is so amazing that they won't let me pay for anything. I'm not only talking about my friends who have been taking me around the country. I'm talking about random street vendors and people I meet, especially here in Peshawar. We're here on the streets of Peshawar. I'm gonna go try to buy some things. I'm gonna show you that the hospitality is so good they won't accept my payment. Ice cream? Just one. Thank you very much. How much is it? How much? I'll pay you. Okay, we're gonna try to get these cookies. They look pretty good. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you. Oh, hot. It's like a donut. How much?
No pesa, no money.
It's okay.
No.
Why? He's like seriously not accepting my payment. Are you sure? I'm rich. I can't get rid of my money. Get some water. Thirsty. Assalamu alaikum.
How are you?
How are you?
Alhamdulillah.
Nice to meet you. U.S., Arizona. Thank you. How much?
Leave it, man. You are guest, so.
Oh, it's okay.
I
I can pay you.
Thank you so much. Keep it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, man.
You don't want any money?
I will offer you green tea.
Yesterday, we went to the world's second biggest salt mine, and Deanna bought 9 salt lamp souvenirs. They wouldn't let her pay a dime.
I just feel loved.
What did you buy? Show me.
A lot. There's one box there.
And how much was it?
I don't know. I can't.
Guys, what I'm telling you is 100% real. I just can't make this stuff up. My first taste of this incredible hospitality was actually a few weeks ago in KL when I ate at a Pakistani restaurant and the lady wouldn't take my money. How much? No. She's literally not accepting my money. Why are Pakistanis like this? Why is this the first and only country where nobody will accept my payments? The answer is simple.
We don't care about money.
We care about family, values, and traditions.
I love Pakistan.
I cannot get my head around this, especially because the society I grew up in is completely the opposite. In the Western world, we work as hard as we can to make our bank accounts grow and grow and grow. And then what? All I know is that the people of Pakistan are incredibly joyful. They're laid back. They don't stress much. They don't care about living in a nice house or driving a fancy car. They are just living a happy life, and that's all there is to it.
Thank you so much. Welcome to Peshawar. You are most welcome. It's you are my you are my guest, and I will be. Sorry.
It's okay, one more time.
So sorry, one more chance.
One more time. Ready?
What I say?
Say, welcome to Peshawar.
You are all my guests.
You are all my guests. That's it.
Just.
That's it. Ready? Quiet.
Welcome.
1, 2, 3.
Welcome to Peshawar to my all of guests, and this is Peshawar, and this is Peshawar city Gentagar. It's my restaurant, Qabaili Hujra. Most welcome anytime. تاسو باندې ان شاء الله زو خپل غا د قبایلی خپل روایتي روټي به ان شاء الله وخرم او تاسو مان سره
I'm Drew Binsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.
Amazing, very nice. Pathans are very well known for their hospitality, and the most beautiful thing was the comparison between a country like America, where people are just living to make money, to save money, because they think that with money they can buy whatever they like, and they can live happily if they have money, while in Pakistan, some people living a simple life with less resources and they are happy because money doesn't really matter. There are other things that matters more than money in our life, and that's family and human values. And thank you so much for suggesting me this beautiful video, and see you in the next video. Till then, अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा. في أمان الله.